So hey guys, welcome back. This is Aman Gupta. Welcome to Traders Traders. So this is the daily analysis session of Nifty and crude oil and Bank Nifty and natural gas. So basically we are always discussing about the index and commodity, what are the views and all. But did you ever notice what we are main concepts what we are learning here and what we are trying to predict the market? See, the market is easy to predict. Just you have to be just think very wide. Okay, that it means that you have to be always be attentive in the video during the video session. Always be attentive whatever you are watching. Okay, and if you are not having time, then don't watch. You can watch it later, but watch when you are alone, so that it can be remembered as a hint, or you can be remembered like this. Now, why are the benefits? Means what are the benefits of watching this video? First is the confusion. The confusion of will be getting clear. Whatever confusion you have regarding the markets for the daily or the next day, that will be cleared by you, because you are going in the market without any preparation and plan. But whenever you are watching any video or anyone's analysis, not only me, other people's also, so you are getting some confidence and their analysis is already prepared, so you are just getting a pre-planned video. So it's a very important to always watch this. Now another thing is discontinuity. If you are not continuity, means if you are today watching this video, okay, next day you are not watching, means one day you watch, second day you are not watching. So what will happen that today you know that Nifty has moved like this, but next day you don't know and you will make mistake. That mistakes will make you loss. So the main reason is that only discontinuity. So always whatever you are doing, maintain it disciplined, and the continuity should be always maintained. This continuity should not be there in your trading life. If you are not trading also, then also you should watch or analyze the market. Doesn't matter you have money or not, but you should analyze the market, because when we are not having the money, so we are more attentive in the class. But people are think when it is not having the money, then you are not analyzing. So how you will analyze when you will have the money? So main reason is also many people are taking the losses, then are coming here and then saying, sir, now I don't have money, then what is the need to study and all. So whenever you will lose something, then only you will get to know how to gain it again. For gaining it again, you have to be very prepared, and that preparation is during the hard phase of your life. Never ever give up your dreams and all. Now the fourth thing actually. So basically, if you are watching this, so you are getting a direction for the next day. What should be our direction? Also, location means where should we do what? Suppose I told you that you have to go to this way, and after take that right turn. So you will know that this is the location and you have to take a right turn. So after the right turn only you will take. So you already know that we have to take a right turn. But when you will not watch the video, then how you will get to know that we have to take from here call side or sell side, any means trade. So this is regarding that only. The concept is same. You have to be very clear whenever you are watching the video, and where and in which position what we have to do. Suppose if the market is opening here, gap up, if market is opening gap down, what should be the first thing we have to observe? What is the second thing to be observed? So like this, all things are to be very observed clearly, because observations only give you the money. Without observing, you can't take money from the market. Now, setup. Setup is also important. If you are to learn the setup, if you don't have any, if you don't have any setup, so just try it once. You just take our monthly batches also. We are trying to teach. Okay, those people who are interested, they can learn at 10,000 rupees. So we will be just giving you from basics to 70 to 80%. You will be getting what to do and how to do in the market, because people don't know 10% also. They are is- taking the big money, and then they don't know how to use, how to use proper SL, what should be the proper entry, what should be the candle closing and all, like this. So that should be main property. So always focus on learning first. If you are losing the money, then it's your fault. Understand always. If you are losing the money, that it's your fault only, nobody else. Because market is not telling you to buy or sell. Market is telling whatever here it will go, but you have to just interpret it. How to do interpretation? By giving your time. How to analyze and all. So always remember, nobody is reliable for your losses. Okay, only you, and you will be the blamable for the losses. This I have learned from the last 3 to 4 years, that if I am making a mistake, the mistake is made by me only. Market is not making telling me to do this mistake, because I have to correct that mistake only. Okay. So now let's come towards the daily analysis. So in daily analysis of crude oil, as we can see in crude oil, from the last 2 days we have seen just downside. But you just see here, what is the main observation? The crude oil, we have seen the more green candles. Today also we are seeing the green candles. So there are high expectation, because the market is going down, but sellers are very less active here, because buyers are more active. Why it is coming down? Because it has to take the stop losses of the buyers before going to upside. So always remember, market is taking the liquidity. So today you can see crude oil is making a very bullish candle today, and it is closing above the last 3 days. So if today close is above the target too, so expect more next day upside in the crude oil, because we are closing above the last 3 days. Okay. So tomorrow we can more expect up to 5,800, or 5,850 can be expected. But today's closing is important. So let's see where we will close. We have 2.5 an hour. Okay. Now we will move towards the Nifty analysis. But before that, you can see we have shared one trade also. What is the trade here? You can see market opened here, but you have observed that yesterday we have got some buying. After that, we got some pullback, and then again we got buying. So here we have observed that we can again buy in the dip market. So this was the our buying level, and we have seen this is the level and targets done here. Again we can see again a pullback to take the liquidity, and again it went upside and done the target too. So this is the our trade in the crude oil. Now we will go for the next, that is natural gas. So natural gas trade we will be seeing. So what you can observe here, in the natural gas also on the daily time frame, we have observed that from the last few days, very big buying we are seeing. Okay. Now yesterday we have seen instant fall from the here. So after the instant fall from here, we have seen again today the fall, this candle low is not broken, and market is trying to go upside. Why it is going to? Because it has to take the stop losses for the sellers, those who have stood here, and now it will be some taking the some retracement. So after retracement only it will go now upside. So if today closing is below the yesterday's closing or like this only, so tomorrow just be ready for some pullbacks here in the crude oil. Oh, sorry, in the natural gas. So in natural gas, we have shared one trade also in the bullish side, because the bias is bullish. Why? Because from the last 4 to 5 days, we are in the bullish market only. So we have been bought here, and this is what the first target and second target we have done. After that, we can see the 30-minute candle is black. That not black, that is red candle. So we can see some profit booking here, and then after profit booking, market again came to buying zone. So this is the cost to cost, but we have booked here target 1, target 2. Always whenever target 1 hits, then you just try to keep your SL, shift your SL to this one, to buying zone. And if target 2 hits, then shift your SL to SL target 1. So this should be done always. Okay. Now What is the next in the analysis? In the next analysis, you can see that is Nifty. But people will be very confused whatever what is going on Nifty, because you are not able to make money. Why you are not able to make money? The main reason is VIX. The VIX is very low. The VIX is very low, and that is the main reason for the people's losses. Because if market is doing nothing also, then also your premium will be getting decayed, because the VIX is getting melted and the time is also, and the premiums are very less also. So this is the main reason for the option bias for the losses in the current markets. Because in sideways market or low volatility markets, that are very hard for the players to struggle here and to find one setup for the trading also, because premiums are not increasing much, and you can't find much premiums in the OTMs also. Even at the money options are also very less. So this is the main reason for the Nifty. So today you can see Nifty has been closed above the, sorry, below the previous day closing. Now the next day bias will be tomorrow's. We will be, if any flat opening is happening or any gap up opening is happening, we will find any bearish candle in 15 minutes and 5 minutes. Then we will try for the shorting trade, and this low can be broken if it is possible. That is 25,000 for 50 rupees. Okay, this is the low, or 25,000 below it also it can go. As per the today's candle, it is as it is bearish. So be prepared. Tomorrow can be a selling day as per the candle closing basis. So this is the analysis for the Nifty. Now let's move towards our next, that is Bank Nifty. Though now you can see this also. Bank Nifty is also behaving the same. From the last 2 days, we have seen some bullishness, but again the buyers have given up and sellers started again. So you can see here, this is the like this. So you can see this flag pattern and this is the pole pattern. So this is the flag and pole pattern like this. And you can see here market is just up and down, up and down. So maybe before the breakout, it is consolidation, and then tomorrow again we can see here, and it will be like this only. So just remember this type of trend line, and again possible that market can be going to 56,500 tomorrow. As per the closing basis, we are seeing which is bearish. So whenever any bearish closing, we are seeing some next day again selling. We are seeing the next day selling as per the price closing basis. So just you have to be very careful tomorrow for making the bullish side trade. So that's all from the today's analysis session. Have a nice and good day, guys. Bye bye. Take care, and be sure to like and comment on this video. Thank you.